Hello everyone, this is my video for my apprenticeship application for Code Their Dream. My name is Hemang Limbachiya, so let's get started. Here's some basic introduction. I am Hemang Limbachiya. I'm into the Institute of Technology. That's where I did my undergrad in electrical engineering. I was part of the Illinois Tech Rocketry. I worked on ASIC, FPG, and VLSI projects, and I also worked on some robotics projects. And then during the spring semester, I joined Code Their Dreams React course, and I recently finished the practicum. So here are some application questions. What inspired me to pursue this path? So my appreciation for software development after coding embedded systems. Also, my recent interest in learning new skills in software development after taking the React course. And the other thing is software skills are not as expensive as hardware skills to upskill. You don't need like bigger circuit boards, bigger panels, bigger machineries to get the certification, get the experience. You can get started with a laptop, and creativity is your only boundary. Also, I like solving problems. I have taken a few lead codes recently, and I've been learning DSA, and it's been quite enjoying. Why did you apply for the Dream Lab software development apprenticeship program? So I want to enter the tech industry and gain work experience to start my career in tech. Also, a combination of professional growth and meaningful projects really speaks to me. And after taking Practicum and the React course by Code Their Dreams, I'm very touched by the mission of helping people from diverse backgrounds grow into skilled developers while building software that creates social impact and building real life skills. And that's also free of cost. And highly appreciative of the mentor network by CTD. Mentors are very useful. They were very useful in the practicum and in the React, and currently taking the Python course, so very useful. What excites me the most about joining this program? So again, as I mentioned, mentorship. Really appreciate the mentorship part of the Code Their Dream network. It really helps to gain experience and valuable insight from someone who is very much into industry. And also, being in workplace scenarios, that is also something I really enjoy. Like how in practicum, being in the real workplace scenario of like working in a team where a lot of people are working on the project simultaneously, and then you have to work out merge conflicts. Which branch are you on? How are you going to proceed further? Team meeting. So that was very appreciative. And reflecting on a time when I did projects out of class or in class and which I'm proud of. So here are some projects that I'm really proud of and how I worked in them. So at IIT, this was my final project for my VLSI course, where I had to be part of a team of two people and design an ASIC VLSI CPU design. So ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit, and VLSI is like very large scale integration. So on the left, there are waveform simulations of one adder of the CPU. So they are just bit forms, 0 and 1 pulses over like different input, output, and different orders like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And on the right, there is a carry look ahead adder CPU layout. So this thing was like a month or two of project with constant reiterations and designing. Another one is in my embedded systems capstone class. So this is a lot protector device that we worked on. On the left, I worked on the OCR algorithm using Python and Tesseract OCR. So what it does, on the left is a system design where we have a Firebase server, a mobile app to take pictures of the license plate, a computer to process, and then a device like a camera in the parking lot. So either mobile or device can take pictures of the license plate and then they can scan the license plate. And then that's how people can protect their parking lots from vandalations. Projects in CTD I like is I worked on Finance Tracker, I work on the V-True app in the Practicum, and Finance Tracker was my final project. And those are the projects I'm proud of because they were the most real life challenging projects I did, like months of work into it, months of reiterations, editing, changes, and all. And why do I want to work in tech? So I grew up watching Iron Man movies, and that's why I decided to become an engineer. And I finished my engineering degree. And right now, tech industry and the AI industry are very much in market right now, and they are booming. So I do not want to be left behind and upscale my skills and make good use of my degree. And one day I hope to have a successful robotics company that works on a lot of environmental projects like recycling and upscale automations. And I also love about tech is how fast it evolves, not just grows and expands, but like something like 2 years back is very almost ancient right now because how fast we're evolving and it's very hard to keep up. But so it kind of it's like a challenging curiosity and persistence and impact. And also the thing I like this quote, technology is not just about building machines, it's about extending our humanity. And that is my application Q&A. Thank you for watching.